Hello everyone, this is Isra Jahan Ibhar, role BFH 2024021F. Today I am going to discuss about some advanced Linux commands. And before jumping to the topic, we need to understand what is Linux commands. As an open source operating system, Linux uses some instruction that can be entered into the command line interfaces of a Linux operating system to perform variety of tasks. Now let's jump on to advanced Linux commands. Advanced Linux commands goes beyond the basic file manipulation and system. They offer powerful capabilities for system administration, process management, and network management, and more. Now we have networking commands. In Linux, networking commands are essential tool for managing and troubleshooting network configuration and connection. And there are different types of networking commands like curl, iconfig, netstat, and ping. I am going to cover netstat and ping. Now we have netstat. Netstat displays the network connection, routing tables, interface statistics, etc. Variations of netstat the commands includes netstat 80. It involves TCP ports connections. Netstat A. It involves the details of TCP and UDP connections. Netstat L. Details of the active ports. Now we have the visual representation of netstat where we can see the commands active ports and listening ports, what protocols and different connections are on and active in our machines will be showed by the command. Now we have ping. The command ping is simply send packages to an addresses or the domain to specify, and then it will tell us if we are getting response from it. Typically, ping something includes if it is online, it is active and working, or if it is blocking the addresses. If we write Google ping google.com, it will actually show the response from google.com. It will show how many packets or bytes we send and receive and at all, and pinging continually runs as long as we want. We simply use Control C to stop the pinging. It will show how packets were transmitted, received, and lost. Now we have process management. In Linux, process is nothing but a program in execution. We have two types of processes, that is foreground process and background process. Foreground process need user interaction to run, that is some office processes, and background process doesn't need any user interaction to run, that is some antivirus processes. We have a fourth process state, that is running statement means it is running and ready to run. Sleeping state when it is waiting for resource to be available. And stop when it is receives a stop signal. And zombie, it means the process is dead. Now we have ps command. Ps command nothing but process state. It used to display all the running processes in the system, including process id, terminal type, total time the process has been running, and command name of the launches the processes. And we have PSU to get more information about the processes. It involves percentage of computing power the process is taking, and amount of memory the process is taking, and state of the processes. We have PSA to list even those processes that are not currently in running but exist in the system. Now we have top. Top command displays a list of processes that are running in real time along with their memory and CPU uses. It updates per 3 seconds. It involves process ID, user name of the processes, priority given to a process while scheduling, nice value, amount of physical memory used by a process, shared amount memory with other processes, state, CPU percentage of the processes, time consumed by the processes, and command used to activate the process. Now we have kill. To stop a process in Linux, we use kill command. Kill command sends a signal to the process. There are different signals used by kill command. We use kill L to list them. Significantly, 15, that is sig term is used to kill a process. The basic command for killing a process is kill PID. The syntax for used to kill a process. Let consider an example, that is we want to delete Safari. We have to identify the first the process ID, that is Safari process ID, to in term of deleting it. We can simply write the syntax PID of Safari, then we will get the process ID. Then we will write kill then the process ID, and we will be able to terminate the process. Alternatively, kill 9 also used to terminate a process if the above discussed killing process is not working at all. That's from me. Thank you for listening me.